Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by pairing AirPods to the device you'll use for Zoom. This is the only way to guarantee audio routing. First, charge them enough so they won't die mid-call. Once done, open Bluetooth settings and remove or pause other active audio devices because phones often prefer the last connected headset. Make sure the case is open and the AirPods show as connected. You want a stable Bluetooth link before opening Zoom, so the app can detect them reliably as both mic and speaker. Now, you configure Zoom so audio uses the AirPods exclusively. This prevents switching mid-call. Open Zoom and navigate to Settings, then Audio. Select your AirPods as both microphone and speaker from the drop-down menus, and use the Test Speaker and Test Mic buttons to confirm sound and input level. If your voice sounds distant or inconsistent, turn off Automatically Adjust Microphone and set input volume manually. That gives steadier pickup. Make these selections before joining the meeting to avoid delays and reconnections during the call. Join the meeting and select Join with Computer Audio. Zoom will now use the AirPods. Monitor for latency, dropouts, or one-way audio. These indicate Bluetooth interference or incorrect device selection. If audio fails, first reselect AirPods inside Zoom audio settings. If that doesn't work, disconnect and reconnect via your system Bluetooth or toggle Bluetooth off and on. As a last step, quit and restart Zoom. That clears session-level audio locks. These steps resolve most problems quickly because they reset the Bluetooth link and force Zoom to rediscover the headset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.